How to change date of birth in Gmail or Google. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google application or your Gmail application. After that, from your top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, go to manage your Google account. After that, go to personal info. Now scroll down, then go to birthday. Tap on the button. After that, from here, you will be able to update your date of birth. Simply select the day or month or the year, if whatever you want to choose. After selecting that, change it, and now go to save. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.